Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen T-Roc 1.0 TSI 110B Life with rear view camera. This sleek black beauty with 41,005 km offers top-notch safety features like ABS, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags. Stay comfortable with air conditioning, cruise control, and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Enjoy the convenience of electric windows, voice control, and USB 12V power outlets. Plus, get added peace of mind with features like anti-collision system, emergency call, and trailer stability program. This vehicle also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer spec servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Contact us at blackwatermotors.ie or our website for more details on this fantastic Volkswagen T-Roc.